Well, good morning, superstars. This is a very special vlog. It's my birthday vlog. Okay. Oh, I have to sneeze. I think I'm done. Okay. It's my birthday vlog. All right, so my birthday is on Tuesday. Today, I'm having allergies, old people problems. So yeah, my birthday is on Tuesday. Today is Friday. It is 10:25 a.m. I'm about to go get my nails done. Alright, so it is 2:07 p.m. I've been in the nail salon since like 11. And this is the final result. I got French tips, nails, and pedicure. I really don't like how they turned out. And these are supposed to be my birthday nails. The person that I wanted to do my nails, she was busy. This is how they're looking. I don't really like them. These are my real nails. This is the birthday nail. I don't really approve, don't really like it. And this is how we're starting off the vlog. Superstars, it's birthday eve, so you know what that means. That means the hair is gonna get slayed and laid, boo. All right, it is 12:08. My appointment is at 12:30. GPS said I'm gonna get there at 12:27, so you know, right on time. Yeah, I'm about to go get my hair slayed. You know, I brought my little tripod equipment so I don't leave y'all behind, because I spoke to my hair lady and she said vlogging is totally fine. So I'm gonna show y'all that behind the scene experience on how I get wine, okay? But yeah, birthday is tomorrow, so I'm just, you know, finishing up my few errands. And you know, the nails are growing on me, guys. Like they not that, they're actually kind of cute. Like at first I was against it, I hated them, but now I'm like, I'm feeling it. So yeah, I'm about to go get my hair done. I'm on my way right now. My face look greasy from my, you know, skincare, but look how a pimple tried to disrespect me on birthday eve. Like, we're gonna knock Zima that bitch tonight, okay? I just came home and look, somebody got a Fashion Nova package delivered to me. Birthday tings, you know what I'm saying? Birthday gifts are arriving in the mail. I appreciate everyone. I appreciate you all for listening to my wish list. So yay, gifts coming in. Let me see what I got. It's my birthday, motherfucker. It's my birthday. Good morning, superstars. You are alive, you are blessed, you are loved, and you are worthy. You are so worthy. I'm so happy, clear skin, hair is laid and slayed. I am so happy, guys. I look so fresh, so clean, except my lips are a little chapped, but it's okay because I'm about to do my makeup. I'm about to go to brunch. I have to be ready and out the door by 12, and it takes me 5 years to do my makeup, guys. It's 9:48, so I have like 2 hours to do my face, and I'm super excited. I'm about to go to brunch. I'm about to do my makeup, so I will see you guys soon. Look at her. Look at her. A little something. Ooh. So, it's my motherfucking birthday. 22. I wanted to tell you where we were going. Where are we going? Benny's on the beach. Gotcha. Yes. Oh my God. Look at her. Benny's. Oh my God, I've always wanted to eat here, guys. Yeah. I've never been here before. Probably the sound is quality is shit because, you know, I don't have a microphone. But Benny. It's these damn balloons and this wind and this car and this everything. Look at her face. Oh Lordy. There's an hour wait. But it's okay. Yes. It's because, you know, it's gonna rain. Oh, yes. But so, anyways, yes. We're gonna go sit at the bar. Yes, first time at a bar. And she's 22. 1 year to be legal. You know, but you know, this pussy always really hot. Oh my God. Okay, bye. We just need a fine ass right now. Right. You gotta look in there. Oh, you're right. I'm looking out here. I'm a failed YouTuber, y'all. She's not a failed YouTuber. Her YouTube, what is it, Love Estella? Yes. Follow her, guys. Okay. A little bit, okay. Just subscribe. But bitch. Yeah. There's alcohol in here, so don't spill it. I told you. Yes. Look at tiny spots. Look at her doing a good deed. Doing a good deed on her birthday. She's taking people's pictures. Look at her. I love it. Look at her. Look at her. Happy birthday to you. I'm 22. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friend. Happy birthday. Oh, I'm fucking up the song, y'all.
It's my brother's birthday today.
Oh, really? Tell him happy birthday.
Yeah, it was mine.
Y'all, I'm sorry.
They came from Austin and California. Oh, wow. Because of my birthday.
Look at her trying to look.
Yeah, we met when we were your age.
Oh, how cute.
We were 15 years old.
It's okay. We are here. Unfortunately, it rained, so they had to shut the blinds or whatever. But we can still kind of see the view. There she is. It's you completely taking over this vlogging. Oh yeah, I told you I'm forever your paparazzi. So we're picking our menu right now. Don't know what the hell to get. Don't know what we want. So she wants maybe shrimp and grits, maybe lobster dip, and I want maybe chicken and waffles or maybe lobster dip. I think we should get one lobster dip to share. Yeah. And the other one, we try to figure that shit out. Yeah. We both want the lobster dip, so it makes sense. That makes sense. Alright. Well, Benny's on the beach with the success. Yes. Thank you so much, Benny's. Thank you, Benny's. 22! sad. Oh, honey. I hit up Josh last month saying I wanted to surprise you. Oh my god, look at this. They surprised me at my makeup appointment. Oh my god, the cutest, the cutest. Y'all, I ended up with a gift table. Look at that. Like, oh my gosh, like, wow. Y'all. I'm trying to like hide my face before I show you guys the final look because I'm about to get dressed. But I just wanted to say, like, God works in mysterious ways, because this birthday I had no plans, absolutely nothing, and I didn't want to do anything. I wasn't even going to do my hair nor my makeup or anything, but like, you know, I got encouraged to do so, so I did. And honestly, the only thing I had to worry about is making it to my appointments. Everything else was taken care of, from my nails to my hair to my makeup to all these gifts to brunch to dinner tonight. I am like speechless. I am like, wow, guys, just wow. I'm honestly blown away. I'm lost for words, and I cannot be more thankful enough. I'm honestly a firm believer in the energy that you put out, you will receive back tenfold. Like, this is beyond my wildest dreams. Like, I cannot believe all of this happened. Like, they surprised me, and I couldn't. Like, I just kept being surprised after surprise after surprise. So I'm just thankful and happy and grateful and just in awe. Like, just wow, just absolutely wow. So thank you guys for making this birthday extra special. Thank you. Just, oh my god, just wow. Hold on, wait, come back. Come back. What did you give me? Come back. Come back.
Happy birthday, at the end.
Tory Burch, bitch. I don't even know who Tory Burch is, ho. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold the camera, hold the camera, hold the camera.
Is it recording already?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. I never, ever. Name brand? Oh my god.
Get her face.
Oh my god, let me see, let me see. Oh, bitch.
Don't cry.
These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Bitch, I don't never had no name brand shit.
I know.
It's the
I know.
Oh my god. Thank you so much. Give me a
You're
hug.
welcome.
It's my birthday, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this vlog. Thank you guys for, you know, tuning in. It's not over yet. I'm gonna bring you guys to dinner with me, but I just wanted to say thank you everyone who made it this far in the video. You know, we got Fashion Nova on the fit, you know what I'm saying, we got, you know, Styles by Dash on the hair, you know what I'm saying, we got Beats by Sav on the face, you know what I'm saying, so I just want to say thank you guys so much, and to all my friends out there who made my day super special. I felt so loved and so honored. Thank you, my parents, who paid for this. Okay, they paid for my hair and my makeup, guys. Like, what? Thank you guys for, you know, just everything and loving on me as hard as you guys did. Thank you guys so much for my freaking gift table. Thank you guys just so much for everything, and just this birthday was super magical, and I love you guys so fucking much. I could cry, but I don't want to ruin my makeup because Stabby would kill me. That's it, guys. Thank you so much.